The history of the past contains within it enormous treasures where you can learn how these civilizations grew up, how they were formed, how they solved the different problems and came up with solutions which help mankind. That is a source of great learning. But when we move into the future, we find that you have the ability to build a future, to dream a future, and then achieve it with your willpower, your courage, your conviction, and just having the faith to do it. So that is the difference between the dreams of the future and the history of the past. For example, the pandemic which happened 100 years ago, we can learn from it how things were, what sort of miseries were there, how they were avoided, how things were sorted out. And also we learn that after the pandemic phase, there was a deep depression, and that was followed by a boom phase. We do not have to go through the same phase again. We can dream of a better future, that after the pandemic we build our dreams in such a way so that we see a boom phase happening just after this phase and avoid the depression phase. So this can only happen if you can dream and have the faith and courage to follow your dreams and go after them, come what may. That is what is going to take you ahead and make you realize the dreams. So any day, what I consider that the dreams of the future are much better than the history of the past, because the history of the past can only teach you, whereas the future is there for you to build. That's why they say the dreams of the future are better than the history of the past.